This is MJ the Sailor. How are you all? Hello. Welcome back. And this is MJ the Sailor. Nothing changed. This channel is dedicated on giving you updates, guide, FYI, news, and travel around the world on a cruise line. I believe on experiences over things and doing more with less. This channel also aims to enlighten, inform, educate inspired seafarers, especially the aspiring seafarer and soon-to-be seafarers. By the way, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. At ano nga ba ang ating topic ngayon mga ka-sailor? Ang Crystal Cruises po ay naglabas na ng kanilang inaugural sailing para sa kanilang Crystal Endeavour. Maya-maya lamang, yan ang ating i-discuss. Stay tuned! At simulan na nga natin mga ka-sailor itong tungkol sa Crystal Cruises inaugural sailing nila para sa kanilang bagong barko na Crystal Endeavour. Isang palakpakan muna sa mga Crystal Cruises crew! Luxury cruise operator Crystal Cruises, nilabas po nila last Monday na ang inaugural itineraries for its eagerly anticipated expedition new build Crystal Endeavour.
Yeah!
Crystal Endeavour will make its launching in Iceland, where it will offer 5 10 nights luxury expedition sailings that circumnavigate the country and sail round trip from the capital of Reykjavik. The Crystal Endeavour is delayed due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The 200-passenger Crystal Endeavour is a first for the luxury line, designed to function as a hybrid luxury cruise ship and a purpose-built rugged expedition vessel. Outfitted with Polar Class 6 hull specifications, the ship can comfortably and safely sail the world's most remote polar regions, including the far Arctic and Antarctica. Ang luxury Iceland expedition voyages will depart beginning July 17, 2021, with reservations opening April 13. Crystal notes Reykjavik offers convenient direct air options for travelers, with the countries reachable by air in just 6 hours from New York and 3 hours from London. As we prepare to welcome Crystal Endeavour to the Crystal Fleet, we share our guests' great anticipation of this extraordinary new ship and the journey to come, Crystal's interim president and CEO Jack Anderson said. We know that travelers have looked forward to this thrilling new way to explore the world with Crystal, and like every Crystal ships that has come before her, Crystal Endeavour will set a new bar for luxury in her market with onboard accommodations, amenities, spaciousness, experiences, and services that are simply unmatched in the industry. Gaya po ng ibang cruise line na mag-start ng sailing, ang Crystal Endeavour daw po ay initially be operated at reduced capacity. Para in keeping Crystal policy, all passengers must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 at least 14 days before embarkation. Nakasaad din po dito na ang lahat ng pasahero, all passengers on board para sa Crystal Endeavour will need to adhere the company's Crystal Clean and Health safety measures, including negative COVID tests for passengers and crew, reduce onboard capacity, social distancing measures, masking policies, and health screening questionnaires, ang ilan sa kanilang mga protocol. And the ship could end up being a perfect fit for COVID times, thanks to its generous amount of onboard space per passengers. Crystal notes that even the lifeboat on board Crystal Endeavour are designed to accommodate 600 passengers and crew, room for approximately 50% more people than the vessel can actually carry. We are grateful to the Minister of Tourism, industry and innovation of Iceland and her team of their partnership and collaborations as we begin this new chapter of luxury expedition cruising, said Anderson. He also thanked Icelandic authorities for granting permission for Crystal Endeavour to sail from Reykjavik this summer under the line's extensive health and safety protocols. The spectacular destination of Iceland are the ideal beginning for Crystal Endeavour's adventures, as they embody and inspire a spirit of deep exploration, bold nature, and sense of curiosity. As always, I appreciate the time you took to watch this video and the support that you guys have been giving me. Thank you so much for watching the channel, and definitely gonna see you for the next one. This is MJ the Sailor. Bye-bye!